Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life of Business Analyst. Today I'm going to show you with an example how to deal with joins when you have one or more than two tables and that has one to many relationships. I have an Excel file with two sheets and with some sample data. So in the first sheet, that is sales, you have the sales number of a particular vendor for two different months, and also classified based on the company and also the product. Okay, and in the column D, you have the units sold. In the next sheet, that is the variable pay, you have the variable pay that is paid to the staff for each of the product. So a staff will get paid like 150 rupees commission as a commission if he's selling the product of Samsung. Similarly, like 200 rupee has a commission for OnePlus. So let me quickly load this to the Power BI. Excel. I need the data from two tables. So the column company is common among these two tables. So when I load this data, the relationship between these two tables get auto established by using the column name company. Okay, the data is loaded. So what I'm going to do is like, let me create a matrix. And I have these tables here. So I want to see the company in the rows. Okay, assume that I also want to see the units sold, sum of units sold across these companies. Okay, I want this in values. Okay, so I can see the company and the units. Now I want to see also the commission for each of this product. Okay, it's showing as a count by default. Let me make it as sum. Okay, so you have the data here, but you see there is something wrong in this data. When we saw in the Excel file, right, the staff commission, if I go to the sheet, you see the Samsung had a commission of 150 rupee, OnePlus 200, Apple 120. All this total adds up to 2,470. Okay, 2,470. But it's not for an individual product, which is incorrect. So what I'm going to do is like change something in the relationship under the manage relationship. If I have an option to change. So before I change that, right? Let me also add in a couple of slicer. Oops, sorry. Control Z. Okay, and slicer here. And then the month. You see, for Apple, say example, I've selected Apple. Okay, but the staff commission for Apple is not 2,470. It's something around like 120. So clearly, the relationship is not working. I'm going to make the relationship work by clicking on Manage Relationship and then click on Edit. And then you have sales table. Okay, you have the company mapped with this company. Okay, this is fine. And this is also many to one. This is perfect. Cross filter direction. So this is not working, something not working properly. So I need this to work from both the ways, both, and apply security filter in both directions. And click on OK. Now when I close it, you see the number should change. Yes, it's working. So you can see the total is 2,470. Okay, the staff commission, individual commission for each. For Apple, they're paying 120. For Lenovo, the staff gets 400. And if staff is selling LG product, is getting like 100 rupees has his commission. So now this is working fine. So this is how you need to manage the relationship between two tables when you have uh, many to one relationship. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. I'll be using the same set of data in my next video and talk more about managing the totals when you have an average. Thank you.